In a world filled with noise, reconnecting with your body's wisdom can be a powerful choice. It begins with listening to the innate signals that guide mindful eating. Our earliest instincts around food were free from judgment, driven purely by biological cues. Yet as adults, we often suppress these clear signals. Intuitive eating encourages us to trust those inner whispers, restoring a joyful relationship with food. This approach goes beyond restricting diets. Born to Eat inspires us to trust our hunger and fullness cues, aligning our actions with deeper body respect. Experience restoration. The gentle embrace of nourishment and respecting your body's needs nourishes both the spirit and the mind. Reconnect and flourish. True hunger speaks softly, urging us to engage with food mindfully. Respectful fullness brings balance to both body and soul. Trust in our bodies fosters a kinder relationship with food and self, cultivating a peaceful mental landscape and vitality. To dismantle rigid diet culture, we tap into our innate wisdom and dispel guilt. It's a path to food freedom. Gentle nutrition is a dance of grace, tuning into signals that embrace individual vitality. Reconnect slow and steady. Relearning intuitive eating is about trusting our body's cues and freeing ourselves from societal dietary pressures. Embrace the journey. Rediscover when, what, and how much to eat by heeding innate cues. Freedom in eating enhances life's energy and joy. Through every mindful meal, we step towards liberation from diet culture, trusting deeply in the signals of our body. Every meal holds the promise of connection, knowledge, and self-trust. Celebrate the journey towards intuitive harmony with food.